Good evening. A desperate search is underway for a missing toddler after her mother told police she was snatched from her pram in Melbourne's northeast. Live to Jackie Quist in Heidelberg West now. Jackie, how long has the little girl been missing?
Nick, unfortunately, she has been missing since 10 o'clock this morning. Baby Sanaya Sahib is just 13 months old and hasn't been seen since then. Police and SES volunteers have been scouring Olympic Park for this missing baby. Her mother, Safina Nikat, told family that she took her daughter walking to the park this morning and she was pushed to the ground by a man in his mid-30s. He's of Somali appearance, is what she's saying. The 22-year-old mother says the man then snatched baby Sanaya from her pram and ran off with her. Now, police and SES volunteers have searched for the missing baby ever since, but there's been no sign of her. The young mum apparently raced straight home after she says her daughter was abducted. She was sobbing hysterically and her relatives then called police.
And she was just yelling, screaming and crying, somebody took my child, somebody took my child.
If anyone knows of her whereabouts, let us know.
We're hoping that she is still alive. As I said, we're conducting an extensive search of the area, and again we appeal for witnesses that may have seen the child.
Baby Sanaya was last seen wearing a short-sleeved white top with pink and yellow hearts and koala print pants. Now, police are worried that this baby is dressed in that light clothing, and as the temperature drops tonight, she might find she's spending a night lost in the cold. But police say they will search for this missing baby until they find her. Nick.
Let's hope for a good result. Thank you, Jackie.